Hey Stalwart Fam!
Hey!
Welcome back to our channel!
Welcome back.
My name is Faith.
And my name is Michael.
We are
the Stalwart Lovers.
Woo! So if you are new here, we are glad you stumbled upon us. We are glad you came. Welcome. We love you. Please make sure you subscribe on that button. Just click on that red subscribe button
Click
below.
it.
And click on the notification bell so that you can get all our notifications when we post a new video. And if you are returning, we are glad you came back.
You're
we
welcome.
love you. Thanks for always coming back. Please make sure you enjoy this video.
Have fun.
Have fun. Yes, drop a like, drop a comment, drop everything. Just engage with us, okay?
All right.
And I'm sure you've noticed the different
Why
background.
do you want to be the one to say everything?
Oh yeah,
pass
sorry.
now.
Oh yeah, talk.
How come I sort of...
Oh yeah, talk that.
Eh. So I'm sure you've noticed the different background. Yes, we're not in our house in Ontario right now. We're in Winnipeg.
Yeah, like we said in the last video. Actually.
Yeah, so we came to Winnipeg some days ago. We are having fun here, and it's so good to be here. Long story, we're enjoying being here. That's why you're seeing us in this home-like environment.
Yeah.
So, babe, what are we doing today?
Yeah, so we are reacting to your assumptions about us.
Yeah, this video should have been done a long time ago.
Yeah. It's a
never
long
too
time
late.
coming. Yeah.
Yes.
So at least we're going to clear out some assumptions. If we are, that is not who we are, we would say.
Yes.
And if you are right, we would also say so.
So as usual, we put up a poll on Instagram, and many of you guys have given us your assumptions, and we're just going to react to them and maybe clear the air on some things, agree with you if you're right, and then tell you where you're wrong. And yeah, it's a fun video, so have fun.
Okay.
As usual, we'll start from the bottom and the top.
Yeah.
You know how we do it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, so
You
someone
can start with I
says,
assume that.
okay, someone says, I wonder how you manage work, family, fun, and YouTube together.
How do we manage work, family, fun, and YouTube? Well, it's passion. I think passion is what drives us. So you gotta do what you gotta do. It's never convenient. So sometimes we schedule filming a video very early in the morning before work starts. Some other time we do editing videos like in the night. So sometimes I edit videos into like the midnight. So it's never convenient, but I enjoy doing it anyway.
Yeah.
I think that's why I find something you're passionate about and you never really complain.
Yeah.
And family for me is my lifestyle. My family is priority. So
yeah, basically, and fun. I mean, sometimes when we just get settled into the normal life and everything, sometimes we don't have fun.
Yeah, we can be
we
very.
We just tell ourselves that come on, you have to go out, you have to do something, like just try.
Like coming to Winnipeg. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay, this one says, I assume that you are too religious without any fun part of your lives. But I can see that you are really fun to be with. Okay, I'm glad your assumptions were already cleared.
Yeah, because that's definitely not us. Okay, someone says, I knew you were young, but always assumed we're older than the ages you revealed. But fun fact, I was happy to know Sister Bay and I were born on the same day, month, and year.
Uncle Jaden.
Guys, please excuse whatever noise.
The noise you're hearing.
Just pardon it, okay?
That's Jaden for you.
Yeah. So okay, so she says she
you're born on the same day, same month, same year.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
amazing.
awesome.
That's amazing.
Awesome. So you found a birthday mate.
Abio.
Okay, so this person says that I think you have gotten there, and I used to believe it's been an easy road for you, but now I know it's not true. It's not an easy road. We're traveling to heaven for many are the turns on that way. It's never an easy road. Success is never easy, right?
Yeah.
There's always a story, and I'm glad you guys, are, following us in our journey to know that it's never easy. But if you don't compromise and you stay true to, your values, you work hard, you're gonna get there.
Yeah. So someone says, assume you guys are one of a kind, making your lives as real as possible to others. Grace, you are blessed. Yeah, that's a correct assumption.
Thank you
Honestly,
so
that realness is very important to us. Like, there is no point faking anything. We try to be as real as possible. We try to show you as much as we can.
Yes. Whatever we show you, it's
just
100% real. We might not show you all our lives because obviously we need to keep some things to ourselves and be private. But yeah, we don't fake it. So good evening, Stalwart lovers. I love you. My assumptions which may be wrong, is that you guys loved or prefer sit down videos to vlogging.
The thing is, it's not like we prefer sit down videos to vlogging. The only thing is that when it comes to vlogging, I feel like many people, although we are very big on purpose, we are very, very big on faith.
Which you do on sit down videos, and that's why we have a lot of sit down videos.
Yeah, but we also like to show some fun
lifestyle.
And you guys actually love to see it. Actually,
in fact, these days the way you love vlogs, used to concern me.
I'll be like, wait, why don't you rush for sit down videos?
We'll do sit down videos.
Why?
People will not rush it, but we just do vlog and everybody's watching.
Everybody's watching because this fun thing happened, that fun thing happened. So sometimes you can't really blame us for like for showing you vlogs and stuff.
But we
like
still
that.
have to do sit down videos.
We love to do sit down videos.
That's why we are doing YouTube. We want to impact the world. It's purpose for us.
Yeah.
While we are also, giving you all the fun stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Someone said, assume that you weren't doing well in Nigeria, but things got better in Canada. No.
That's not true.
That's not true. That's not true because well, thank God we're already getting a level of financial stability. Like, we bless God for that. So coming here, it was not that it wasn't different, but it really
keeps getting better. It's just from glory to glory.
Exactly.
But it was not that we weren't doing well in Nigeria. If you remember,
that's not the word. Like that weren't doing well.
If you remember our story, in fact, we were doing very well, but we were living way below our means because we were saving for a greater purpose, which was to come here. So, like I told you, my house, just one chair, one very cheap chair, just living very, very simple life.
Very below our means, yeah.
Even if we wanted to spend all our money, glory
to God.
Yes. You guys are really good. You're doing well. I love you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Say I love. Okay. Let me look for. Okay, I thought you both were not Christians. Hey, which video
did you watch?
That you did not know? Me that I wear God for my forehead.
Oh my God.
Anyway, that's interesting. Now you know, right?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
So it says, okay, hi, I just joined this community and I will say I really love you both.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, another person says, I thought you guys were older than your age. The day I got to know your age, man, I was amazed.
That is life.
I mean, don't you look our age? Do I look old?
I feel like the more I admitted my age, the more I began to look my age to myself.
Maybe
right? And then after I got public with my age, I felt like I started looking my age. Maybe it's just the way my brain looks. But I know that up here, it might not be the same.
Yeah.
Okay. That you guys are rich or more. You guys are rich, rich in Christ, rich in finance. Love you guys. I have everything I need. The Lord supplies all my needs. That's my answer to that.
Yeah.
But I would not.
I mean, rich is
rich
so
in finance.
man.
No, I wouldn't say that. Rich in Christ, yes. That means that anything I need, I have it. Even if I don't have it now, before I need it, I will have it. And that's the mentality that I have. So yes, I agree we are rich. But not as rich as I'm able to maybe buy Dangote or do philanthropy and all that. No. So your assumption is not so correct.
Okay, someone says admiration. When I came across your channel, it was that friendship that you share that made me stay glued to your channel. Everyone deserves love like that. Yay, Stalwart lovers.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wait, why are people thinking we are rich? The next person to the one I read says that you guys have plenty money. Hey.
Is it because of car?
Is that why you are not giving us super thanks and you are not donating? I beg, send money, send money.
Okay, so it says assumptions about you before when the only choker was that Sister B was younger than she looked, but Uncle Boo is as real as you see. Okay, so initially you thought I was younger and now
she thought you were older. So the only trick was that you were younger than she
thought. Okay,
but I'm as real as ever.
Oh, so that means you looked your age basically.
No, real. She didn't use age. She just says real.
Okay.
Okay, say she assumed that Michael is a software dev. Yes, you're right. I'm a programmer, whatever you would like to call it. That you are proud about your relationship with God and that has inspired me.
Wow. Yeah, we are proud about our relationship.
Because I am not ashamed of the gospel of Christ. It's the power of God of salvation. Okay.
Okay. Someone said, "Well, nothing. Just stumbled at one of the video titles. How we stayed virgins until marriage, and after a while, I saw different people post it, and then decided to give it a try, and I loved it.
Wow. Thank you.
Awesome.
For those of you that are just joining our channel, you've missed a lot. You need to intentionally go back to previous videos and be blessed. When I watch the early videos when we started our channel, I still
Blessings you all
get
over
blessed.
again.
I'm
We are the ones that
serious.
filmed it, though.
Yes, and those videos still have very low views. That means there are many of you that are watching now who have not seen those videos. So please go and watch them.
Yeah.
How I knew she was the one, a lot of things. Just enjoy. Okay, this person says she assumed that we are not secretive. No, we are not.
We actually aren't.
To each
like
other,
this, honestly.
literally
we
no
aren't.
secrets.
No secrets between us.
Literally no secrets.
Yes. So someone has said that you people have plenty money.
I beg. Pass. Next. Next. That's why people are not doing super things.
Someone said you are waited to move to Canada to start having babies. Yes, you got that right.
Your assumption is correct.
Yes,
actually.
it's correct. Although we kind of started slightly before we moved
yes.
in. Yeah.
That's why I used to laugh at all of you that used to shout, "Hey, Sister B, I'm seeing baby bump." Hey,
I'm like, hey, where is the
all
baby
those
bump you are
pregnancy
seeing,
comments.
though?
I used to be very, very sensitive and I used to get
I had
annoyed.
to tell you that.
I'm just used to you people
Calm
now.
down.
But,
Calm down.
but if you don't know something, just don't assume. That kind of assumptions, they are too sensitive for you to assume, right?
Yeah, but
Yes,
this assumption is correct. We waited actually.
Yeah, we didn't want to
start.
have our first child in Nigeria because
So
we
pray
knew we were
for
leaving
us.
soon. Yeah, so if you have prayer points, that's fine. Anytime from now, we're trusting God.
Yeah. You are each other's best friend.
Yeah,
Yes,
that's correct.
We don't have any other best friend apart.
I have one very soon. So this says, you don't reply your comments on YouTube like before. It feels like you now feel too big for your fans. Heartbreak.
And that's not a. See,
that's
guys,
not true.
When it comes to YouTube commenting, honestly, we actually try to, and that's why if you turn on your notification bell and you comment early on in the video,
you most
will
likely
get a reaction.
Love. We might not comment like reply,
Mm-hmm.
but we will give you that Stalwart lovers love for the most part.
I even go to also like people's comments
With our personal account,
yes,
we
with
like
personal
the account.
So
So we try.
it's just that over time they get so much. You've lost count. You've lost track.
Also, YouTube does not notify us when any comment comes to our website on our YouTube.
Yeah.
We need to go and look and sort by newest comment before we can see this comment.
Yeah, and
I
we
do
are
that
busy.
a lot.
Yeah, and also the comments are actually a lot. So we are sorry if you feel like you're neglected or something.
Yeah.
But the comments are actually a lot, and we thank you for commenting. Yeah. Even though there are a lot, we also love it and we are grateful.
And we will do more.
We actually try to read them. Like we actually sometimes we see down,
all of them.
and just like wow.
We see
them.
almost all of them.
Yeah. So we I mean.
This one says that I assume that you guys have sex every day.
We don't.
No, you are probably single. So when you marry, bro or sis, you will be doing it every day.
Every day.
Come back and give me feedback.
It's not easy to be doing every day.
It's not easy, no matter how active you are. There's life, there's work, there's a lot of things to think about. One of the day you are fasting, one of the day you are praying. Sometimes you have to take your emotions away.
One of the day you are just tired.
Abby, there's that.
Yeah. Or your wife is on her period, or you are on your period.
Thank you, on the cross of Calvary.
Okay, so program as what is this one?
Read it very well.
Okay, not an assumption,
Okay.
but I think you both should start a relationship mentoring program. And I have some relationship issues I would love to discuss with you both. Honestly, that is something that we've been thinking about, that we've been working on for a long time. So honestly, I cannot give you a date, but we are definitely starting one very soon.
Let me put it like this. We have a website project going on. We've started it since like last year, but I'm the tech person and I'm the most busy person right now. So I've never had time for the website. Mm-hmm. But we are working on the website project, which on that project you'll be able to pay for the mentorship class. We'll also have a free community where people can ask questions and we'll answer. So it will not be DMs anymore. Mm-hmm. Right? Then so we are planning on a mentorship class very soon. Maybe it might be next year because this year is almost going, but we want to make sure that if you are paying for something, you are getting value for your money.
Yeah.
Right? But yes, thank you for your comment. We are going to work on that.
Yeah.
Okay, this person says that you've both have gotten jobs in Canada and didn't take us through the process. Abi, it's still your Niger jobs. Your assumption is not correct. At the same time, I'm not privy to answering everything for some because my
Reasons,
companies
yeah.
have some NDA kind of thing, so I can't tell you much about that. But that's not correct.
Okay.
Okay, that you used to chance fate sometimes
Okay.
based on some behavior in your videos.
Chance me. What do you mean by chance
Maybe
me?
that I bully you or something.
I don't even know that bullies is the most times.
That's what I'm waiting for you to say. She is my bully. This one, yeah. She's the organ kwata kwata. Alright, so I don't know where you see the chancing from, but she's the one that bullies me. Literally, she's
No,
my
but
madam.
do you really bully me? You can bully me. There's sometimes you can bully me.
Maybe if I correct you, sometimes you might see it as overbearing or something.
Whatever. Whatever. But I bully him more, Sha. I mean, I ride him more like.
She's a you write me more.
Stop right there.
Glory.
Don't let your brain hold it.
I didn't say anything.
Hold it.
I didn't say anything.
Hold it.
If you can relate to what I
Relax.
said,
Chill.
you're on your own. Familiar.
Okay, that you both have been married for a really long time, say 6 years. Nope.
Even our pastor, when we were 1 year in marriage, and we told him that, our 1 year anniversary is next week, he was like, 1 year?
Yeah.
It looks like 5 years.
Yeah. So I mean, God, it just been godly wisdom and a lot of
of hard work in
a lot of
relationship.
hard work.
So
Yeah,
it
but it's
makes
been
the
amazing.
journey
It's been
easy.
beautiful. So we've been married for 2 years. Yeah, 2
Yeah.
years.
I assume that you both are extremely conservative.
Extremely conservative.
Not extremely.
Not extremely.
But we are conservative.
Yeah, to an extent. Yeah.
You know now, you know. We're not that free with a lot of things. And it comes with your background. Like my own background in Christianity was like if you shake the sister, no, you are unholy. But we have to balance it. But I still have my boundaries with dressing, with talking and places I can visit.
Yeah.
So we are conservative.
Okay, so what says no assumptions really. I just feel what you see is the real deal, no fake vibes.
Yeah,
that's a good assumption.
100%.
That's a correct assumption.
Assumption. Yes, what you see is the real deal. Those that know us in real life, like our church members in CCI, I'm sure they know that like we're literally like this on camera, outside camera. That's our life. I think we're all caught up.
We are all caught up with the
Phew.
questions.
Thank you for sticking along and watching this video.
Yeah.
And watch out for our escapades. Today in Winnipeg, we're going out to the park. We're going to do some stuff. So when those videos come out, enjoy them.
Yeah.
And we'll see you in our next video.
Yeah. So if you love this video, please make sure you drop a lovely comment below.
I want to see your comments. Guys.
Yes. If you have counter assumptions to what we're assuming.
Yeah. If you don't agree with our response to your assumption,
yeah,
drop it down.
And if you want us to quickly see your comments, you can just turn on the notification bell and so that we can see your comments on time and answer them.
I think I'm going to commit myself to responding to the first 50 comments
at least the
on
first
every
few
video.
hours,
First 50 comments on every video, I will respond.
Yeah.
Alright, just as a commitment, because some of you say we're not responding. If you're 51 and I don't respond, I use a you.
Alright guys, so please make sure you follow us on all our other social media handles, Twitter, Instagram, no, not Facebook. We have a Facebook page, but it's not really active.
Follow us now.
Instagram,
you don't want to grow the Facebook page.
Okay. Everything,
for you.
follow us and everything. So till we come your way again,
keep loving
and keep believing.
We are the Stalwart Lovers.
Woo!